In this video, I will show you how to use Namecheap private email, how much it costs, and how you can even get it for free. This guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, to access Namecheap private email, you need a Namecheap account. If you don't have one yet, go to namecheap.com and click Sign Up in the top right corner. Fill in your name, email, and password. Then verify your account via the link they send you. Once logged in, you can buy a domain if you don't already own one. Just use the search bar on the homepage, select your preferred domain, and complete the checkout process. Your private email service will be connected to this domain. Now, let's talk about pricing. Namecheap private email plans usually start at a very affordable rate, often around a couple of dollars per month, and they offer different tiers depending on how much storage and how many mailboxes you need. The good news is, if you've just purchased a new domain with Namecheap, you often get 2 months of private email free as part of their promotional offer. This means you can try it out without paying upfront. To start using private email, log in to your Namecheap dashboard. Click on Private Email from the left menu and choose your plan. During checkout, apply any available free trial offer. Once the service is active, go to the email settings to create your first mailbox, set a password, and configure your preferred email client, such as Outlook, Gmail, or Apple Mail, using the IMAP or SMTP settings provided. Namecheap also has a webmail portal, so you can log in from any browser at privateemail.com with your new email address and password. This makes it easy to send, receive, and manage your professional emails from anywhere. By following these steps, you'll have a secure, professional, and ad-free email setup tied to your own domain, perfect for business or personal branding. Stay tuned for more Namecheap updates.